Welcome to this quick guide on how to disable push notifications for tags on Facebook Web on PC with the latest update. If you haven't had a chance to adjust this yet, you might be getting tagged in posts and never want those alerts popping up again. Here's a simple, straightforward walkthrough that takes just a few moments. First, open Facebook in your web browser. Make sure you're logged in with the account you want to adjust. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This opens a small menu with quick options, and it's the gateway to your personal settings. Next, in that menu, select Settings and Privacy. A submenu appears with several choices, but you're aiming for the more detailed settings, so click Settings. This takes you to a broader control panel where Facebook lets you tailor how you're notified about all sorts of activity. In the Settings area, locate and click Notifications. This is where Facebook bundles every channel and event that can trigger an alert. You'll see sections for various activities like comments, mentions, and tags, among others. You're specifically interested in the tag-related alerts here. Scroll through the list until you find tags. Within this section, you'll see different notification methods such as push, email, and SMS. Since you want to stop those push alerts on your PC, focus on the push toggle or switch labeled under tags. Disable push by clicking or toggling it off. When the control moves to the off position, you've successfully stopped push notifications for tags. If you ever want to re-enable them, just flip the switch back to the on position. That's all there is to it. With this change, you won't get push notifications for tag activity anymore, but you'll still receive other kinds of alerts you've kept enabled. If you'd like, you can go back and fine-tune other notification settings to fit your routine better. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who could use a quieter Facebook experience. And if you have questions about other Facebook settings, drop a comment and I'll walk through them in a future quick guide.